Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched best Solana ecosystem meme coin. Name is Robinhood. Hood is symbol 0.3 times 0.5 $9 current price. It dropped by almost 40% in last 24 hours. Coin has already $27 million market cap. Okay, friends, I see $27 million market cap, $8.6 million trading volume in last 24 hours. But still, there's no any central exchange listing yet for this coin. But as this meme coin has good hype right now, so it's also possible that we can see Hood coin listing on major central exchange also. But I told you that this meme coin is not the native coin of Robinhood central exchange. This is a meme coin not related to original central exchange. Okay, that is Robinhood. Okay, so this is just a meme coin, and I will share you its all further details including its price prediction. You have to just for the complete video here. So friends, Robinhood's currently 3 zeros in its price. Okay, and very new meme coin, $27.2 million market. This is good. And you can see friends, 45 billion coin supply, all in circulation. And other Solana ecosystem meme coin, we are 52% down than its all-time high. There were 2 days ago. And right now, this meme coin is on its all-time low just 18 minutes ago. And right now, we are still on its all-time low also. So coin is just 3 days old only, and only 52% jump then is all-time high. So maybe we can see price dump more here, maybe up to 70 to 80% dump here, because right now again crypto market is going down. So it's possible that Hood coin can also down up to maybe 60 to 80% here. And you can see friends, all these Solana dexes have listed this coin, Radium, and other central exchange, but there's no any central exchange listing for this coin. Still there's no CoinX, there's no Kraken, no any central exchange has listed this coin. All these Solana dexes where this coin is listed. And their website is also looking good. You can check out all further details here on their website. Okay, you can check out all details here. So no doubts, tokens looking good. This is not just a meme coin, but it's a movement. And you can check out all further details, all memes here on their website. FS this coin is also listed on MEX exchange. Okay, you can see listed on MEX exchange, but it's still not updated on CoinCo. Trading volume, you can see $635,000 on MEX exchange, but on CoinCo this trading volume is not including yet. Okay, and you can see this is Sam token, Robinhood token, and this is a meme coin and listed on MEX exchange. This is the first central exchange listing for this meme coin, so this is good. And he can also check out that this token is real listed on MEX exchange, because MEX exchange is the second most you can see percentage supply holders. Okay, you can see number one wallet is Radium, that is Lana Dex holding 2.2% of Hood token, and number second is MEX exchange wallet, they're holding 1.7% of supply. So this is good that this coin is also listed on MEX exchange. So MEX is the first central exchange where Hoodcoin is listed, still has no update yet, but maybe in coming few days we can see MEX exchange update here. Friends, no doubt this is a meme coin and the Solana meme coin. So no doubt investing in any meme coin is highly risky. But I will already told you that as this meme coin is only 52% down than its all-time high, so maybe we can see another good jump in this meme coin. Maybe we can see its market around 15 to 20 million dollars here, as current market cap is 27 million. But it's also possible that Hood coin can jump up to maybe $20 million or maybe $15 million here, because right now entire crypto market is jumping. So that's the reason, that's why this coin can dump. But in long term, maybe in this year super cycle meme coin small mega balloon, we can see this meme coin massive hype also. And this meme coin then has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin also. What's your price prediction? Do you think this meme coin is legit or not, and can achieve $1 billion market this year mega balloon or not? You can must comment down below.